this is our new washing machine. So this is LG. And this is what it looked like. And now Dave is gonna hook up the washing machine to the water. So what do you call this?
Pipes.
So that's the hot water.
They're the hot and cold water hoses. They're not really pipes, it's hoses.
Next is for the cold water. Turning on. Then we bought these anti-vibration pads, and we will try if the washing machine will not move because the tile is kind of slippery. I already put the other one.
Look at the dent that makes. It's a heavy device.
We put a slider. So we got this in Amazon. So this is $6 in Amazon. So we will try $7, and we will try it first if it's gonna
There were
work.
two options: a $7 one, or a $25 one. So, for the abundance of curiosity, I wanted to see if the cheap one would work just as well. Obviously, the $25 one, you have a certain level of expectation. I don't expect anything out of the $7 version. Let's just see what happens. If they work well, then all the hoopla about the $25 version is just that, marketing. Front load wash machine. Put your laundry in, pull out this drawer, put your detergent in, your fabric softener, and then you close. And that actually is a line of max, so you can't put any more in there. And that's the max line there. So you have the cups a little bit too full. But now that gives you a nice little line to measure things by, so you don't use too much detergent. But you know what, you do more washes, and then come by Mylene's stockpile for some more detergent. She's ready for you.
Cold wash.
What do you want? Permanent pressure or something, or delicates?
Oh, delicate.
45-minute timer. Cold wash brings it to 50 minutes. You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Let's find out how well that works.
And then you can see also the lightning here. This long press.
Now, when it hits 20 minutes, that's when the red cycle begins and it starts doing this little dance. So I'm going to time that for 7 p.m.
So the vibration pad is working, the washing machine is not moving. So this is the vibration pad that my husband put. He put 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're on 10 minutes and our laundry is finished. And now he's putting the, what do you call this?
Vent hose.
Vent hose for the dryer.
Yes.
So this is the LG dryer.
I like that.
So that's the back of the dryer.
And I'm a weird one. And I don't drink coffee in the morning, I drink it at night. And I still see fine.
This is coffee here.
Yes, it is. Oh my goodness, it feels good right now. This could be a keeper. This is how it goes. But so far I like it. How this is going on there, nice and smooth.
Yeah. The dryer is so nice. It's very quiet. There's no noise. So the clothes are inside. I turn on the light. And then I already turned the power button. And then permanent. And then this is the setting. Normal, medium. And then hit start. So that's the dryer of the LG.